Hey there guys, it's Helen. I'm the National Artist with SEPHORA Collection, and as you guys know, we have launched 40 new lip stories. They come in matte, metallic, and satin, and I wanted to show you the ones that we have special for festival season. Let's get started. So first up, we have Trippin', and it's super cute. It's lavender. So I love this shade because it is such an amazing lavender shade. It's matte, so it's gonna stay, and it goes really well with flower crowns, so what's not to like? Okay, so this is one of my favorite shades to use as a topper, but you can also use it alone. It is called No Cell Service. So this color is obviously great for the blue-eyed babes. It definitely brings out your eye color. I also like to wear it with like a black t-shirt. It's just a really kind of like cool heavy metal look. Okay, so the next one I'm going to try on is a matte red. This is really great for the girls who don't want to change it up too much, but definitely want a bold lip for the festival. So I love this lip because it is matte and red, so you can still wear a really bold lip, but it doesn't have to be like too funky of a color. So this is an amazing option for the girls who just want to look a little more glam. So the next one we have is Desert Trip. This is an awesome magenta shade, and this shows off all of the finishes that we have in lip stories. So we have metals and we have mattes and we also have satins. I love this color because it's so rich and it feels really good. So perfect for when it's dry out, but it also has that like funky color and it brings out pretty much any eye tone and it goes with any skin tone. So super cool. Okay, so to complete my look and add a little bit more color to my festival vibe, I am going to use the Hush Prism Airbrush Spray in Malibu Pink in my hair. So, should be really fun. What I like about this spray is that you can go subtle or really bold. It just depends on how much you put in. Okay, I hope you guys have an awesome festival season. Let me know what your favorite lip story is in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.